Hi and welcome to this quick video that will show you everything you need to know about the business that I'm currently in. My name is Jess and I am a white status presenter currently residing in Camp Pickerford, Mallorca. So if you've been sent this video, that means you are considering joining us as a presenter. And I just wanted to make a quick video telling you everything you need to know before you jump right into this business. So let's get started, and before we get started, make sure you grab a pen and paper so you can jot down some notes. So let's start with saying exactly what this company is all about, and it is the best way I feel how you can make an extra income or living online from the comfort of your own home. Our products are high quality and they're definitely not tested on animals, so you don't need to worry about that at all. These products are so popular with women all over the world, and it is one of the fastest direct sales companies out there. So what makes this so special and what makes it so successful? Well, the answer to that is social media. And what makes it so successful is because on Facebook there is over 2 billion users, and if you didn't know, 64% of them users are women. And also there is over 700 million people on Instagram, and 68% of them users are women. And so because of this, more and more companies are using social media to gain customers. But the great thing about Younique is we keep it more personal than just advertising. And also I want to share with you that I have one of the products here that are one of the best sellers, which is the 4D mascara, and it's like comes in a nice purple tube as you see here. And when you open it, this is what the brush looks like. And the thing with this 4D mascara, because it's called 4D, it makes your eyelashes super long. So if I turn to the side, you might be able to see how long it actually makes your eyelashes. So it's known for not needing falsies or not needing false eyelashes, as this makes your eyelashes super long. I highly recommend. And this particular product was introduced in 2019, and it's our fastest selling product in 7 years, and everyone is talking about it, and it's even won some awards too. The next product that is our bestseller is the spray foundation, and I don't have that one here with me, but I can put a picture up here showing you what it looks like. The thing about this product is it's so light, but it gives you complete coverage. And also we have stick foundations, powder foundations, and liquid foundation. And we also have skincare products, and our bestseller there is our masks, and we have a wide range of masks. A thing that you might be interested in is we have a 14-day money-back guarantee, so not many other companies do that, so that's one thing to keep in mind. So if you love makeup, we also have a range of eyeshadows, lipsticks, and mascaras. So definitely, if you like that kind of stuff, then you will enjoy our products. So how do we sell? We sell doing something called attraction marketing, and when you sign up, I can tell you exactly what that is and how you can grow your audience so you don't just sell to family and friends. We post about our products all on social media, and we make videos and use Facebook groups, and we work with affiliates to promote the products. If you're confused, don't worry, once you're signed up, I can tell you exactly how this all works. And apart from selling online, you can share products another way, which is that you can get a few friends together and expose people to the products that way, or you can meet down the pub and expose them to the products that way as well. But if you don't want to do this, you can just promote the products online, whatever you prefer to do. So how do we get paid? We get paid by commission. So you can earn milestone awards, cash awards, holiday awards, and even house bonuses. So we earn 20 to 30% commission on all our direct sales, and if we create a team together, we can earn an extra 3 to 6% commission. So whatever you decide to do, you can do this business just to make an extra income online, or I've known some girls in this company that have quit their day job just to do this and make a living through doing this type of work, and they've made great money from this job. And everyone is welcome in this, no matter what your money goals are. So we have a fast money payment system, and that is that our presenters, after they've sold something, in 3 hours time they will get paid. So if you have a exciting weekend planned, or if you want to go out and have a few drinks and have a good time and get a bit drunk, I suppose, then you will have money in your account on that same day from the products that you've sold. So no need to wait, you just get it on that day. You don't have to wait until the end of the month, which is fantastic. So when you join, you get a free Pay Quicker account, with a debit card, and you can use this card in shops, or if you want to take some money out of the cash point, or if even you want to just do a bank transfer, you can use that card for all that kind of stuff. We also get lots of rewards, so as soon as you start, you earn a fast start reward, which involves so much free makeup, and you can earn entry-level cash bonuses, and every year you get a chance to go in all different types of holidays. And for example, other things you can get a makeup trunk, light up mirrors, makeup bags, dressing gowns, and so much more. Also, with each order that we make, you can get something called Y Cash, which is product credit. And if you don't know what product credit is, it's where you can take deposits for other events that you may offer. So as I mentioned before, you can go on holidays with this business as well. You can earn a trip if you just joined, or if you're in the top level of the company. You can go to a variety of places. For example, you can go to Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, you can go to the Bahamas, or Mexico. And to be eligible to go on these trips, you need to earn 30,000 executive trip points, which is required by doing sponsorships or earning royalty points by selling products. And another question that you may be asking, what if I don't make any sales? And the answer is, it's fine if you don't make any sales. So all you have to do, you just have to sell 5 mascaras, and if you don't sell 5 mascaras in 6 months, then your account will turn from a presenter account to a customer account. And if this happens, you get 6 months to reactivate it, so there's no punishments at all. You can reactivate it to a presenter account, there's no worries at all. So a lot of people run into the problem where they ask, what am I doing? I have never done network marketing before. But I highly recommend there is a team group that you can go to that I will put in the description down below, where there's loads of lovely girls and loads of lovely ladies in there that can help you and support you with whatever query that you may have. And they're happy to support you if you find any success, even a little bit of a small success in this business, they will support you all the way. And also, if you want to go to my Pacific personal group, which is called Purely Beauty, I'll put that down in the description below, so you can go and join my group and see a lot more things on there that you may not see here on YouTube. So I just wanted to share with you, when you purchase one of our products, it gets shipped directly to the customer, so you don't need to keep any stock. The only thing you need to do is direct that customer directly to your website that I talked about before in this video. And then once you send them to your website, Younique takes care of everything. And the great thing, like when you join this business, your website is up and running straight away and you can get right into doing it. Also, a lot of other businesses ask you to set up a standing order. Our company, we don't do that. Standing order is where you get products sent to you constantly, and you have an automated payment that you constantly have to pay for. With this business, you don't have to do that. You just get a kit once and you only have a one-time payment for this kit, and we won't ask a penny more for you. And if you want to know more about the kit, I've got a video that I can pop up here that will take you directly to me unboxing the kit, so you can see exactly what you get inside our beauty kit. And if you have any questions about this business, which I'm sure you have, you can ask me down in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on my social medias, which you can find in my description bar. And if you want to join, all you need to do is ask me for the web link, and you can get up and running and get you yourself that kit that I will send you to the video right now. And I would absolutely love it if you joined. That would be so great, and I'll help you as much as I can along the way of this exciting business. So I'd absolutely love it if you could join this business. It is such an exciting opportunity to do. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.